Good morning, everyone. Okay, so come to the context. On the last class, I have discussed the theoretical part of that chapter, petroleum, coal and petroleum. Okay, and I think the context was completed, isn't it? The we have written up to naphtha. Okay, naphtha. This is not given in detail in your NCRT book, okay, but it is for your purpose to know what is naphtha or what are the byproducts of petroleum. For this reason, I have noted down the some context, that is naphtha or etc. Just take a preliminary idea about that. These are all petroleum products, okay. So the last part, that is natural gas, is also completed, I think. The last part, that is natural gas, was also completed. That what is natural gas, how it is mined or etc. Up to bitumen. That is paints or road surfacing. What is bitumen? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So come to the next one. In the uh, next column, there are many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are all petrochemicals. Okay. So the what is petrochemicals? Okay, natural gas. So what is petrochemical? The products obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. Petrochemical. Products obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. Okay. What are the uses of these? These are used to form manufacture of detergents, fibers, for example polyester, which we used as a dress materials, and other man-made plastics. Next one is the example of petroleum. You can also write the examples of petroleum given in your book, that is used in the detergents for the production of polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc. That is nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Uses, it is also given. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, write it. manufacture of cosmetics, manufacture of cosmetics, manufacture of solar power panel, solar power panel, manufacture of solar power panel, and also manufacture of wind turbine, wind turbine. Okay, so this is a short note on PT exam. It will be only one chapter which was already completed but which was not included on the previous exam. It may be combustion and flame, it may be coal and petroleum out of these two chapters. Okay, so write the uses of the petrochemicals, manufacture of detergents, manufacture of cosmetics, solar power panel and wind turbine. Okay, completed this one. Okay, next part, that is what is natural gas. What is natural gas? So natural gas, it is obviously a gas and it is light petroleum. No need to write petroleum. It is light petroleum. When it becomes lighter, it travels in the form of gas. Suppose this is a layer of petroleum. It is a thick layer, and which one having lighter mass, they will elope from that state to the gaseous state. Okay, this is the thick mass, that is the thick layer. This is the petroleum layer, but when this mass is less enough, then it releases that surface and travels as a form of gas. Now when we dipped or when we well the petroleum, then at the same time there is a well for the natural gases. So how would you define the natural gas? It is also, it is a non-renewable light petroleum produced from the wells of petroleum, used as a source of energy. It is a non-renewable light petroleum produced from the wells of petroleum, used as a source of energy. Used as a source of energy. So this is natural gas, easy to transport through pipelines. Now natural gas is, once upon a time, the natural gas is traveled through, or it is delivered through pipeline in some cities to produce the lights or to for the cooking purposes or etc. Just for example, now today the water line from the municipalities or etc. or the municipal corporation, the water line are going to the each home. In the same way, there is also the natural gases pipeline which is delivered from the plant to the cities for the production of energy, for the cooking purposes, for the lights, etc. What is CNG? What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Okay. Yes, compressed natural gas. So how would you define compressed natural gas? Natural gas under high pressure natural gas, it is also defined, natural gas under high pressure are called or is called CNG, compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas under high pressure called CNG. So, in the pressure is that parameter which when used in a high pressure range, then the gas ultimately converts to liquid. So, when if you tilt the cylinder of the daily use, then you can see that it feels like a liquid. Okay. So, it is in the liquid, but when the pressure is released, then it again converts to gaseous form. Okay, completed CNG, completed the definition of CNG. Okay, okay, and the next page, that is page number 61. What is the importance of natural gas? So, natural gas, first of all, it is used as a source of energy, obviously. Second one, natural gas is full of carbon monoxide and also methane and hydrogen, etc. So, these gases are used as a precursor to any industrial products, that is the formation of fertilizers. So, uses, one important uses of natural gas is that formation of or manufacture of fertilizer. Okay, manufacture of fertilizer. This is an important, and you can write these uses of as a source of energy in the cooking or industrial uses also. Okay, so these three are the uses. This is also given. Natural gas is also used for the starting material for the manufacture of chemicals and fertilizers. India is a vast reserves of natural gas in our country. Natural gas has been found in, yes, these states name. CNG is also stored in liquid form, not in liquid form. When it is pressurized, then it is ultimately converts to liquid. In which states the natural gases are found? Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Krishna and Godavari Delta. Okay, Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Krishna and Godavari Delta. Remember this, from there multiple choice question may arise. Okay, multiple choice question may arise. Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Krishna and Godavari Delta. Now move to section 5.4. Section 5.4 tells us about some natural resources are limited. Already we have discussed about the coal, the petroleum or natural gas which is non-renewable. Okay, so as they are non-renewable source, so in the present future what will happen to the civilization, that if these sources are up to the end, then how the civilization will continue? So what we can do that we can increase the uses of renewable energy sources. What are these? First of all, this is the solar panel or the solar light, next wind power, then is the hydel power. These are the alternate source of energy. Okay. Next one is that how can we minimize the uses of that fossil fuel? How can we decrease the uses of that? If you see that in the for a family, this is given in the exercise, it is increasing. The uses of the fossil fuels are increasing day by day. We having cycles, next day, in the next year we have buy one bike, next year two bikes, next year one car, next year two cars. In that way we are increasing the uses of fossil fuel. Okay, so not only we, the every human being, those having the capacity, they are using or consuming more or more fossil fuels. But this is a very dangerous for us to continue our civilization, because all the industries or etc. are ongoing with that energy source. Alternate sources are also there, but they are having very much hazardous also and very much dangerous also, which is the nuclear power source. This is the alternate might be, but it should be observed, or it should be controlled in a very well manner, otherwise it may be devastating to us. So the one authority's name is given here, Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Those such kind of authorities throughout the world has in research to produce alternate source of energy, and they have been given some ideas so that it should be minimized, the use of fossil fuels should be minimized. What are these? For example, when we are riding a bike, just switch off the engine when it is in traffic, or you no need, or you have to, you having in market. Okay, use in a constant motion, don't run in a high speed. These are some precautions given for the bike riders or for the four wheelers. Okay, so these are the last unit. This unit is not so much important with this respect. We are in a search of alternate source of energy. Now students, tell me which one we should repeat? PCRA. Which portion we should repeat? PCRA or where CNG are found? CNG are found in the, CNG is natural gas. The natural gases are found in the Tripura, Maharashtra, Krishna and Godavari Delta, Rajasthan, etc. in these states. Where we can found petroleum, we can found the natural gases. Because if you follow the picture carefully on page number 59, you will be aware of that. Okay. Okay, any problem from the context? Okay, so let's move to the exercise. Let's move to the exercise. The first question in the page number 62, just the one questions will be discussed. Exercise number 1. What are the advantage of using CNG and LPG as fuel? What are the advantages? You will write it. You will write it in your copy. Just I am discussing it. Just I am discussing it. You will write it in your copy. What are the advantage of using LPG or CNG? First one, it is less polluting. this is a cleaner fuel. Okay. Number 1, cleaner fuel. Clear? Number 2 is that higher heat value or higher calorific value. Clear? You will elaborate to some extent these points, that cleaner fuel because it's producing less smoke. Number 3, easy to carry. Easy to carry or easy to handle or transport. Anyone points. Clear? So with this respect to this point, you will write it. Clear? Next day we will start from question number 2 for you.